This one is a 1961 Underwood Olivetti Studio 44. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one is pretty big for a portable. It almost feels like a hybrid of a portable and a desktop because it's just so big and heavy. It's way longer than most portables are and way heavier. But I like it. It's really smooth. Like the carriage is very quiet and smooth, and so are all the keys. To set the margins, you just move these with your finger and flip these up for your paper tray. Just everything feels like really smooth on this, like very modern style machine. I like it. So if you want black, which is the top portion of the ribbon, you just flip that switch up. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this switch, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, 3, 4, or 0. And to switch from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, you just flip that switch forward. We're just going to keep it on 1 for right now and finish these keys. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick or skip. I'll type a sentence on the next line in red. So we'll flip the switch all the way down. Now it's going to hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. Types really nice. I really like this machine. It just feels like, almost feels like a brand new machine. They don't make them like this anymore. So if you want something that just feels like the Mercedes-Benz almost, then I would get this, because I haven't had one of these before and I really like it. It's almost like an Olympia. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out. But you gotta make sure that that is back when you're loading, or else it won't load correctly. Also, you can load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock when that's engaged. It's got a backspace on the right side here that works really good. We're gonna flip that switch back up to black. It's got a tab. This is your tab key. Right now, we don't have any tabs set, so let's set one right here in the middle. To set it, you just flip this switch on the left here up, and it should stop at that spot, which it does. To clear it, you just push it down like that, and it should clear that tab, which it does. You can set as many tabs as you want all along the platen there. So open the hood. You got the spools. All the brand new ribbon is on the left side, so it's pulling to the right clockwise. And if you want to switch the direction, you just flip this like that, and it'll start pulling to that side. That works good. Let's switch it back, which it is, and that works good. Hood back on. Looks like there's a little latch on the back that you just do that, and pops right on there. It'll push these back down, and this flips back to fit it in the case. The case won't close unless this is all the way back. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.